we're at the end of South Weld Road, and we're going to do Reuben Falls today, which is a nice short walk to a really good waterfall that I haven't been to for quite some time. Last time I was here was when I did Mount Weld, but this road was actually closed back then, but it's since been reopened. I actually managed to get my two-wheel drive i30 up here, so that was pretty good. But yeah, it's a really short walk. I'm looking forward to it. We're in and out of the burnt forest really, so at the moment it's nice and lush, but it wouldn't surprise me if we go back again into some burnt out areas from those 2019 bushfires. This is going to be my farewell walk for these boots, I reckon. I've had them for a while, but they're starting to get a bit worn and torn. I've recently bought some new Scarpa Terra boots, so yeah, I thought one last trip in the old ones. That descent was bloody tough work. I actually dislodged a massive rock and it made a loud crash when it hit the bottom. So we finally got into the base of Reuben Falls, and yeah, it's a really good waterfall. Look at all that mist coming down from the water. Let's go! And we're back at the road after about 90 minutes. You can thank going the wrong way for that. That took a lot longer than it should have. When you get to the top of that really steep drop off, go right, make a 90-degree turn. I actually left a little bit of an arrow on the ground there, so hopefully help. But yeah, it's a really good waterfall. I definitely recommend it if you're happy to driving on a lot of forestry roads. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you next video.